Everyone. Today I am going to solve an SimNet assignment which is learning outcome 07. Use advanced functions and data analysis tools. In this we will go to the project LO07 skill review project chapter 6. I have already downloaded the Excel file which is downloaded here. I will start my instruction doing assignment. In this project we need these skills to complete this project. What is this project? Extract text with the right, left and mid, calculating total with sum product, finding middle value with the median, finding the most common value with the mod single and mod multiple using the sum if and sum ifs function, using average if and averages function, count if function, database function, you finding the match and index, managing errors with the if error function, analyzing complex formula using evaluate formulas, calculate future value and future value, calculating the number of payments, rounding with the function, using NPV to calculate present value when present value is variable, creating a depreciation schedule. That's our required project description. We will move to our first step. Open the start EX2021 skill review 622. The file will be renamed automatically with your name. Change the project file name if directed, so the instructor save it. So I have already opened this file. That's our file. We need to our second step. If the workbook open is a protected view, click the enable editing. I already click enable editing. Start with the inventory worksheet. We will go to the inventory worksheet. That's our inventory worksheet. What is he saying? Click in the cell F3. So we will go to the cell F3. That's our cell F3. We need to put a formula here. Type is equal to left. Click the B3 and type is equal to 2. The formula look like left B3 into 2. Copy the formula to the range F4 to F24. So we will put a left formula here. We'll use left. Start our bracket. And what he is asking for? B3 and from left side we need to leave the we need to get the two alphabet from cell B2. So we will type 2 and press enter. So we have got BA from our cell B2. We will copy this formula up to downside up to F25. So we have got our formula. We have subtracted the first two letters from this word to a column F. So that's our first step. In our fourth step, switch to the analysis worksheet. So we will move to our analysis worksheet. That's our analysis worksheet. What he is saying, click in the cell B2. So we will go to the cell B2. That's our cell B2. We will put is equal to. What is he saying? Use the sum product formula. Click the inventory sheet tab. Then click the cells H3 to H25. Then click drag the select I3 to I25. So we have a formula like that. We will use in here. We will use sum product. We will start our bracket. What is saying in the inventory worksheet? What we need to select? Which cell range? We need to select H3 to H25. That's our H3 to H25. We need to again put a comma. And what other range he is asking to select? I3 to I25. So we will select I3 to I25. Close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our result in our cell B2 like that. That's our second formula. We have put the same formula he written here. We will go to the fifth step. Enter a formula to calculate the average selling price in the cell D2. So we will go to the cell D2. That is our cell D2. We will put average selling price. We will use average. We will start our bracket, and in the inventory worksheet we will go to the selling price. That's our in the cell H. Column H, we will select H2 to H3 to H25 in the inventory worksheet and press enter. So we have got our average selling price in the cell D2. He is asking for this formula, inventory H3 to H25. Enter a formula in the selling price D2 E2. So we will go to the cell E2. Here we will find a median selling price. We will put is equal to, use median formula, start our bracket, and we will go to the inventory worksheet and we will select the selling price column H3 to H25, close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our median selling price in the cell E2. And now we need to put a formula in F2. In the seventh step, he is asking for enter a formula to find the most common selling price in the cell F2. So we will select mode single dot single in the cell F2. We will use is equal to MODE dot single, and we need to select the inventory worksheet and also a selling price. So we have got the most common price in this column 19.36. We have got this result. That's our seventh step. We have eighth step, where when if there are multiple selling price there that are most common, enter array for in the cell G2 to G5 to find the four most common. Select the cell G2 to G5. We will select the cell G2 to G5. Here is the cell G2 to, we have selected G2 to G5, and what is saying, on the formula tab in the function library click the math and trigonometric. No, we are here. Type is equal to mod dot multiply. So we will type here is equal to mod dot multiple, and what is he again saying, select the inventory tab and click the drag H3 to H25. So we will move to the inventory worksheet and we will select the H3 to H25 cell. We will close our bracket, and what again he is saying, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. So we will go press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. So we have got our formula in the four cells. So we have got our result in the most common multiple G2 to G5. That's our ninth step. We have total 36 steps of this assignment. I have performed 8 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can or if you want to deal for your complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp also. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.